Fixes. Check for CPU bottleneck, PC only. While your R75800X is powerful, Dragon's Dogma 2 is known to be CPU heavy, especially in crowded areas. Tools like MSI Afterburner can monitor CPU and GPU usage while playing. If your CPU usage is consistently maxed out while your GPU usage is below 90%, a CPU bottleneck might be causing stuttering, even with a high-end graphics card. Consider lowering in-game settings that heavily tax the CPU, such as shadow quality or number of characters displayed. Process affinity, PC only. This advanced setting forces the game to use specific CPU cores. Search online for Dragon's Dogma 2 process affinity to find recommended core configurations for your CPU. Experiment with different settings to see if it improves performance. DirectX version, PC only. Dragon's Dogma 2 might have compatibility issues with the latest DirectX version. Try forcing the game to use an older version like DirectX 11. You can usually do this through the game launcher properties, if available, or with command line arguments, more advanced. Disable overclocking, PC only. If you've overclocked your CPU or GPU, try temporarily disabling it to see if it resolves the stuttering issues. Sometimes overclocking can introduce instability. Fresh game install. As a last resort, consider a clean reinstallation of Dragon's Dogma 2. This eliminates any corrupted files that might be causing performance problems. Additional tips. Monitor temperatures. Ensure your CPU and GPU are running within normal temperature ranges. High temperatures can throttle performance and cause stuttering. Background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming system resources. Driver updates. PC only. Make sure you have the latest chipset drivers for your motherboard in addition to the latest graphics drivers. Community forums. Search online forums dedicated to Dragon's Dogma 2 for specific solutions related to stuttering or performance issues on high-end hardware. You might find user-discovered solutions not documented elsewhere. Reporting the issue. If none of these solutions work, consider reporting the stuttering issue to Capcom's official support channels. They might be able to offer further assistance or investigate potential bugs in the game that affect high-end systems.